With Magnet open and a 2-point resection complete, click on Survey and Topo. Here we can input the information for each shot of our survey. First, make sure you're in the normal view by clicking on the label at the top of the screen and selecting normal. Now we're ready to take our first shot. We have a prism set up over a water valve. We start by giving the point a number, and this can be any number as long as it's unique within your survey. We'll add a point code, here selecting water valve, and take our shot by clicking the shoot and save button in the bottom right. We can also survey linear features such as a curb. For our next shot, we'll change the point code to top of curb. With this point code, we have an option to draw a line as we take multiple shots along the curb. We'll call this line 1 and select add to end and line point. We can visualize our survey by opening the map view. We can see the water valve and curb are shown.